In this video, we will learn how to place a photo in a frame in Adobe Photoshop. So, as you can see, this is our photo frame where we will place the photo. And this is our main photo. Open the frame tab again. Click the right button on the background layer. Click on the duplicate layer. Now click on layer 2. Open the photo tab. Click on the lock icon of the background layer. The layer is unlocked. Now click the right button on the preview image of the layer. Click on select pixel. Now see, the photo is selected. Click on edit from the menu bar. Click on copy. The photo has been copied. Open the frame tab again. Click on the filter from the menu bar. Click on the vanishing point. Now select where you want to place the photo in the frame. Now press the Ctrl+V from the keyboard. Now click on the transform tool from the toolbar. Bring the photo into the frame. Click the OK button. Now click the right button on the layer 2. Click on blending option. Go to the underlying layer. Click here by holding down the Alt key from the keyboard. As you can see, it's divided into two parts. Now pull the cut part on the right side and move it toward white. Now see the photo becoming realistic. Click the OK button. Click on layer 2. Decrease the opacity to 10%. Now click on the pen tool from the toolbar. Now select the unnecessary part from the photo. Then increase the opacity of the photo to 100%. Click the right button on the photo frame. Click on max selection. Increase the feather radius to 1 pixel. Click the OK button. Now click on Select from the menu bar. Click on the inverse. You can see that the outside of the photo is select. Press the delete key from the keyboard. Now see, the selected part is delete. Thanks for watching the video.